In this video I'm going to show you how to do it yourself these easy earrings.
Come over, I see you, I wonder it gon' be the last time. Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time.
You will need Fimo clay, a roller, some bottle caps, a knife, a needle, jewelry pins, earring hooks and the oven.
Usually I don't really make the do-it-yourselves before I film them, which is not really smart. But this time I did, because I've had so many times that I messed it up on camera and I thought, no, not this time. This time I'm making it beforehand to experiment. So these are the ones I really like. But I won't be making these small ones because they were really hard to make. Hard to model, and yeah, I don't know, they look a little bit, I like the big ones better. And these ones I made with this mold, but they're, as you see, well, a little bit too thick, but they make a nice sound. So I'm going to make more of these kind. This one I want to make, this one I want to make, and maybe make a little bit of variation on these earrings. But these two, no, not making them anymore. This one is crooked anyway. So yes, let's try it out.
I can't let you slip away. Get it together, get it together. Oh, we can't get it together. I can't let you slip away. Get it together. I want it away. Oh, you're the only come and see me after me.
To bake the Fimo clay you should look at the package for the instructions. I used the regular acrylic paint to paint the earrings with.
Come over, I see you, I wonder it gon' be the last time. Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time. I know that I want you so bad. In my head I'm still looking all the past.
The tool that I'm using is called a round nose plier, but you can also buy pre-made jewelry rings. And I will link down everything I use below in the comment section so you can check that out. For the bigger hoops I use the pencil to shape the jewelry pins with.
You wanna know the reason why we can't be together all the time. Holding back these feelings, I wonder
you know how to do it yourself this easy earring, you can try to make other earrings in different shapes and colors.
Get it together, I can't let you slip away. Get it together, oh, we can't get it together. I can't let you slip away. Get it together. And I want it away. Oh, you're the only coming to me after midnight. And I want it away. Come over, I see you, I wonder it gon' be the last time. Holding back these feelings, I wonder it gon' be the last time. And I know that I want you so bad. In my head I'm sleeping all the time. And I know that I'm laying months that I can't help staying. You keep coming back, and I want it away. Oh, you're only coming to me after midnight. And I want it away. Oh, you're only thinking of me after midnight.
Thanks for watching. Comment on which earring you like the most. I'm really curious. And if you thought they were easy to make. And subscribe if you like. I'll see you at the next video.
We can't be together all the time.